What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the application was unable to start correctly. The error code is 0xc000000e5, I believe. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting this is an error where essentially the application just doesn't turn on, it closes, and it's happening because of your antivirus. Now, it varies per antivirus and the file this happens to, but there's a few ways to fix this. One of the things you can do is, let's say I'm just using Rockstar Game Launcher as an example, right? You can always right click into that, or Chrome, or whatever it is, whatever you're trying to open this and it's happening to, and then just do run as administrator. And a lot of times that kind of bypasses this issue and it will make it go away. The other thing is, if it is, for example, your antivirus, I'm just going to use Windows Defender as an example. Let's say this is it. You're going to click, again, they're all different, so it's very hard to say which one it is. You're gonna have to basically find a YouTube video for your specific antivirus on how to add exclusions into it. So here's an example of the Windows Defender one, and you can see over here is showing you virus threats and protection. In here you can do manage settings, and you can add or remove exclusions. Basically you can add applications or softwares basically to make them not be part of the component, right? So yeah, once you do that, this error will go away if you're trying to do it for a specific program. Obviously, make sure it's not an actual virus or something that you're trying to turn on, but that's what that error is pertaining to. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please smash the thumbs up. Guys, channel, make sure to subscribe. Get that notification. Tutorials out. Peace.